all the cabinets are here from Michigan, which they came from LillianCabinets.com. We got a house full of cabinets right here. Countertops have been measured for and they are on the way as well. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Nikos Property Show. Super duper exciting day today. Why? Because all the cabinets are here from Michigan, which they came from LillianCabinets.com. So first of all, let me just say I've used them already and I love them. We use them on the duplex. We're using them here for all three of these houses. Just so y'all see, we're not just doing one house. All three of these houses, the train's blowing their horn telling us that we made a great decision. The truck just pulled up 3 houses worth of cabinets. I can't wait. Let's get this thing going.
Hello, hi, this is Chris from Lillian's Cabinet. I got a nice order for Nicole. So this is Johnny. This is gonna be my Echo Pilot. We are gonna be the driver for tomorrow. So we're gonna start looking for every single item on this box, making sure everything is 100% for the customer. We still got 2 more deliveries down there for the same customer. So now we're just gonna proceed to get it all inside the truck. So getting ready to get to Tennessee with Johnny. We're so excited. Thanks for buying from Lillian's Cabinet. The best choice that you ever make. I know this guy for a long time. He's one of our good buddies. We're gonna be over there at 10:30.
All right, y'all, come with me, man. We got a house full of cabinets right here. I cannot wait to get these installed. If you watched any of the duplex build, you saw Lillian cabinets getting installed all throughout the house by Mr. Bruce. He's coming out to do it again. Let me just show y'all, man. Look at this. Look at this color in here. Just a little sneak peek for him right here, Paul. A little bit of that navy right there. This is definitely this is actually, I think, for the laundry room. So that's gonna be great. We got all kinds. We got a beautiful island. The kitchen cabinetry, everything in this house is gonna look phenomenal, especially with, guess what? The flooring that came from Lillian Cabinets. A little dirty right now. We gotta get it swept up, but this is a construction site, so we're moving in and out, getting things done. Lots of people are working. Look, we got more navy up in here. Check that out. Show them real quick. Show them the gray. Show them the gray. You gotta see the gray. And we got a little bit of white right there. I mean, if we're doing all the sneak peeks, we might as well. So just a lot going on, a lot to get installed, 3 houses worth. So a lot of progress that's got to get done. Enough talking from me. Let's get these things installed. Alrighty, y'all, so we are back on the job site and Mr. Bruce, the cabinet installer, is here. He got some of these cabinets actually taken away from where we stacked them up for him because he needed some space to work around. And we have the actual design packet right here for y'all. You can see this is what the kitchen is going to look like with that navy island right there. We're actually gonna go with these white countertops, quartz with the gray veins as well. He's actually working upstairs, moving quick. He's already done with the guest bathroom. He's in the laundry room. This thing is gonna be freaking phenomenal. I'm telling you, Lillian Cabinets, I love them. If you wanna check them out, go to lilliancabinets.com. They not only have cabinets, this flooring right here, this chestnut flooring came from lilliancabinets.com, and they have so much more. It's crazy. You can basically build a house off their website. So I'm loving the product. I'm loving the quality of these cabinets too. I mean, if you look at it, this is thick right here, man. This is not that particle board that you see a lot of people doing or making their cabinets out of. Look at this. They're double-sided on the backside here with the dovetail tie-in. Man, this is just super good quality. I mean, we've got the soft close as well. You can see that right there. Boom, goes in nice and smooth. Coming in on the shelves as well. I mean, check this out, baby. It's like an ASMR video. I love that. But anyways, enough talking for me. The quality of these are so amazing, but let's go get Mr. Bruce working. Alrighty, y'all, so check this out. To my right, man, these cabinets are looking phenomenal. Mr. Bruce comes out, man, and in just a few hours decides that he's gonna do basically the entire rest of the kitchen. Like, this is just something he does in his sleep. He's only been doing it for probably, what, like 3 months now, Mr. Bruce, I think is what he told me. So I'm not sure if these are, you know, placed right or not. No, I'm just kidding. He's been doing this forever, and he continues doing an awesome and phenomenal job. I'm excited to get this final product done, just with everything going on, man. This island, literally, it's kind of baffling my mind because I wasn't expecting, come over on this side, Paul, show them. I wasn't expecting these panel looking things to come in, and this looks phenomenal. It almost looks like shiplap. And then it just goes so well with the white cabinets, with the chestnut flooring that we also got from Lillian Cabinets. And then if you turn around, you just see, like, with the shelving and the mantle and everything like that, this is just a beautiful concoction going on right now. Concoction is what they call it. So just a lot of things coming together that look really great. Once we get the chandeliers and everything like that over the island, and the chandelier that's going over where the dining table will be, once he finishes out this refrigeration situation, this thing is going just as good as you could possibly want it to go, and things don't usually go great on construction job sites. So anyways, that's enough talking from me. I just wanted to give you all an update. Guess what? Countertops have been measured for, and they are on the way as well. So once all that gets installed, I'm telling you, everything is coming to plan exactly like I hoped for. So anyways, enough talking from me. Let's get them working. Alrighty, y'all, so as you can see, these cabinets look phenomenal. The countertops look phenomenal. We've got plumbing fixtures in, we've got appliances. We're missing our oven because it actually came, it was damaged. They took it right back. We got the backsplash in right here. They just got to clean it off. But I wanted to show you how beautiful this entire vibe is, just with these island lights and just everything going on, man. I can only imagine somebody living here, cooking it up in the kitchen, going outside, going right here into the living room, watching the TV with the fireplace. I'm not even sure if y'all saw the fireplace, but that is freaking beautiful. It is such a vibe going on in here, man. Again, LillianCabinets.com for these cabinets. I love the quality of them. I love how they look. I love how they feel. Super easy to clean, man. Just great material, to be honest. But everything just tied together. We got these quartz countertops right here, man, with Gold Line incorporated out of Cleveland, Tennessee. So just a lot of goodness happening that I'm super duper excited for. So I just wanted to show you all this, man, some before, some afters and stuff like that. Wanted y'all to really see how this entire kitchen really came together. But regardless, if you did enjoy this video, please make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you follow us on all social platforms for Nikos Property Show. If you haven't yet, check out nikos-school.teachable.com. Check out my beginner's real estate investment course. You can see how I got into this and how you could potentially do that as well. But without further ado, smile more, worry less, and stay blessed. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.